Hey guys, we're here today to show you some of our products and prove to you that our products aren't tire softeners, they're conditioners. Hey, my name is Buck Parker, and we're out here in the warehouse today with a makeshift place to do this work because it's a messy thing, which you'll see here shortly. But today I want to show you how our tire softeners condition a tire to bring a tire back to new without softening. We've proven that our products work real good, but people still think they're softeners, but they're not. So I'm here to show you what some of the tire softeners on the market today do, and what our products do. Mark, if you would just show us, we're going to put 1 ounce of each one of our products in these styrofoam cups, and that's the Grip Bite Blue, the Grip Bite Green, and the Grip Bite Black. And we're putting these in here first, so they'll have plenty of time. And now, as you'll see, they're doing nothing. Now, this is one of the products that are on the market today that people use to soften tires. So we're going to pour this in here. I've already put them into a beaker so I can save time. And then this is another one. Oh gosh. As you can see, that product has really automatically done some bad stuff. So it's clearly a really aggressive tire softener. But as you can see, our other products are doing, or our products are doing just fine. Now, we will let these sit just for a little while and see what they do, and then I'll come back shortly and give you an update after about 5 minutes. Thanks. Well, it didn't really take 5 minutes, did it? So as you can see, it's degraded. This one's just gone. And this one has degraded the cup, and it's just a matter of moments till all that product is gone as well. Oh my goodness. Well, I guess that is a tire softener, isn't it? Well, guys, I think we've proven our point. Now look back here at the green, blue, and black. There's no problems with any of these. So I think this demonstration gives you a little bit idea is how much safer these products are than the products that are on the market today. Appreciate y'all taking the time.